Alrighty, so about a couple months ago, I test drove a Tesla Model 3 for the first time in my entire life.
Going 20 miles per hour, right? Just keep it on here. Oh my God!
I loved it. I loved the car. It was a lot of fun, a lot of great speed, technology, and overall it was a pretty great experience. So fast forward a couple months to today, I am purchasing a Tesla Model 3, and this is going to be my delivery day of the Tesla. I mean, I don't really know what else more to say. I'm trading in my car. I'm gonna get into that in a little bit later in today's video. But it has also been quite a while since I have made a video on this channel. I have just been kind of lazy, if you could say. But I'm excited to be getting this brand new car, and I kind of want to start other videos on this topic. So if you guys have any kind of suggestions or ideas of what to do with my Tesla, I've actually got a list of my own that I'm gonna try to spark up some ideas for. But if you, whoever's watching this, have any ideas or suggestions, let me know down below. Also, if you want to buy a Tesla, my referral link up here, I believe, or up there, is gonna give you 1,000 free supercharging miles. That's right, guys, you get a free 1,000 miles with a purchase through my referral code. The link down below. And I'll have it right here as well. So hey, thanks for watching, let's hop into it. Alrighty, so I recorded that intro as if it was going to be the day before delivery or the morning of delivery, but little bit of a inception, it was actually 4 to 5 days prior. The delivery is on Thursday, today is Tuesday, but I just got a package. And I believe this package is going to be none other than my Tesla Model 3 key fob. I know you might be thinking, yo, that's kind of extra, but look at this box. This is a Model 3 key fob box. This is dope. God damn! Yeah, I'm ready to go ahead and open this up. Let's see what we get inside of it. This is actually a lovely representation. I didn't expect it to be like this at all, but this is so sick. Look at that! So it says 3 on it, right? We go ahead and open it on up. Oh my God! Yo, what? Yo, I was not expecting this at all. This is so sick. Look at how beautiful this is. I mean, no wonder it was $150, but goddamn. Ooh, pretty. This feels so much nicer than what I thought it would feel like. Oh, there's batteries as well. That's always convenient. This is nice. So yeah, I thought I'd throw that in there for today's video. Hopefully it didn't take up too much of the time. I'm gonna have timestamps as well down below of when I'm gonna get the car, what time it will be at. I don't want this to be too long because I don't want you guys to get bored. But this, I had to throw it in, guys. This is so sick. Let's hear this puppy purr one more time. Woo! Sheesh! Woohoo! Look at that! Yo, that white one might be mine. Look. That could be my car right there. Black interior. Yo, that could be it.
It probably is, Jerad. It needs to be washed, though.
Look at all these
There's
cars.
a number. I don't need. No, I don't think that's it. I think this. I think another one's down here.
That could be it up here.
We're picking
Oh,
up
that could be it.
Jared's. We just pulled into Tesla. We're picking up Jared's car.
Woo!
Oh, you hear him?
Maybe. Clean. Are you recording?
Yeah.
This might be it. This might be my car. Picking up the car. Okay, congratulations. Thank you. What are we doing? What's up?
And wait.
It's hot as hell.
Cute.
Woo!
That's awesome.
Oh, the thing. Wow. This is my car key. Jeez. A little flimsy piece. First time driving the car. We're moving. We're moving. Oh, yo! Oh my god. Yo! I own a Tesla! Oh my god! Look at this speed! Damn! Damn! That's hot!
Weird lighting. Okay. That literally made my stomach
oh my god.
go into my
Felt
throat.
it in my esophagus.
Yeah. Right here.
Right in my esophagus.
Got short arms. Little T-Rex.
Oh wait. Autopilot's not available. I have to allow the cameras to calibrate. What song you want to hear, bro? One thing, right?
Oh yeah.
I've cheated and I've lied. I broke down and I've cried. Holy shit! We're going to my first ever supercharger. Look at all these cars that are parked here that aren't even Teslas. What are you doing here, you ugly? He's running up on me, but mom, you gotta back up. Look at that backup camera. Ooh, it's kind of dark. This don't look that good.
No, it looks great.
It looks alright. It's kind of dark though, don't you think?
It's just tinted.
It's kind of dark. A tinted backup camera. And we should be starting to charge. So let me be brutally honest with you about the car. I love it. The only thing about the car is I've owned it for about almost 24 hours now, so I am honestly in love with it. I've put almost 200 miles on it already, and that's just the gist of it, guys. This car is quick, it's stylish, it is beautiful, it is quiet, and I am proudly, I'm proud to own the car. The one thing I am not so happy about is, however, and get this, the 2021 model just released this morning. It just got announced, okay? It comes with chrome delete, new tire design, more range, more power, and a whole different interior style. I am slightly pissed off about that. I do have 7 days to return the car. However, I'm not sure if it's gonna be worth waiting 2 more months, as I just traded in my other car the other day. I didn't record it, it was weird. CarMax is weird. I sold my Kia, the one we drove up to Orlando to get it. So my Kia's gone, I got a good trade-in for it, but I have no car besides the Tesla now. So I'm kind of on edge about, damn, do I really trade it in and get an extra 40 miles of range? Which I know is still kind of like EPA, it's estimated. Or do I stick it out and just enjoy the car? Could I possibly get a discount off the price of financing? I'm not 100% sure. However, I love the car. That's the gist of it. Use my link if you guys want to buy one as well. The Model 3 just got refreshed, so now's the time to do it. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. Peace out.